bienvenue à tous sur Découvertes. Alors, je vais sortir de l'exception artistique, puisqu'on est le 1er décembre et c'est l'ouverture officielle du marché de Noël d'Orléans. Et je tiens à vous présenter, vous mettre un petit peu de pétillant dans vos yeux et un petit peu d'éclat d'étoiles en ces fêtes de fin d'année. Voilà, je vais vous faire plaisir, vous allez voir ça, vous allez découvrir le marché de Noël d'Orléans et je vous dis à très vite.
We got apple cider, we got apple pie. It's perfect cause you are the apple of my eye. The Christmas lights light up the Christmas tree. Exactly what your present seems to do to me. We're snuggled up close to the fireplace. Bring joy to my world when I see your face. We'll keep each other warm while we let it snow. Under mistletoe I wanna let you know you're my special gift, my joy, happiness. You know this is true. It's a very Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas with you. It's a very Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas with you. It's a very Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas with you.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're tracing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace.